Let's get into the workout, guys. So let's quickly go ahead and do some warm-up.
Entombed in my mind, can't seem to break away. Lost in time, thinking about better days. Do you ever get used to the pain? 'Cause I don't know if I can do this again. Now you got me wondering why you let me die alone inside. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried.
So the first exercise that we are starting off with is pull-ups. Since I did not have the weight belt so that I could suspend the plate on my waist, I went ahead and did another technique which you call also the weight pull-ups. What you need to do is just hold the dumbbells between your legs, which you'll be seeing just right now. Next we are starting off with is lat pull downs.
Cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding.
Next up is bend over rowing, which is really good for back thickness. Moving on to the stiff leg deadlifts, which is really good for your lower back since we do not have the hyperextension machine. Guys, also understand that in every gym you won't get every type of equipment, so make sure that you find a replacement exercise for that specific muscle group, which will really help you get your gains to another level. And you guys already know we end off with the posing session. Even I was pretty impressed with the gains that I was able to gain in about 2 weeks. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the first gym clips and the montage. So now I'm going to be quickly taking you guys over a quick high protein meal. So let's quickly go ahead and get into it right away. We have 6 eggs. We're going to be using some mustard oil, which is really good for unsaturated fats. So I'm going to be quickly pouring this in. Just about 3 to 4 tablespoons for 6 eggs. And I'm going to just turn on the gas or whatever you call it. Now let's quickly crack those eggs. So with that, we have cracked the eggs. Now we're going to give it a little whisk. Now we're going to spread the oil. in the entire pan. Now we're gonna put some salt. Make sure to add it according to your taste. Give it a little whisk again. Now we're gonna pour the egg. We have it done. Now we're just gonna give it a little mix to make it into a scrambled egg. Right guys, so with that we are done. You can just go ahead and include what type of seasonings you like. For example, I'm going to be adding some pizza toppings to give it a really nice taste. Yeah, now we're going to close the gas and we are done. This would have at least 30 grams to 40 grams of protein. So this is one of my meals, and I'm going to be also including some gainer shake when I go to work, because I don't have that much time. I'm actually running late. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and comment down below what was the favorite part of this video. And see you guys in the next video. Peace out.